Good afternoon and welcome to Factotum Life. What I have going on today is we have a back entryway into our 1955 Rambler that we purchased about 6 months ago. It needs a lot of work. There's going to be a lot more videos coming online with the repairs and the upgrades to this property. You know, we're starting with the worst items. Then we will start working into the things that we want to upgrade the property. So today what we have is a back step area about 120 inches by 111 inches. It's at the back breezeway entryway. So this goes from the breezeway to the backyard. And what is going on is that there was concrete poured and it has sank about 4 inches at the corner against the house. So today I went ahead and I went to the store. We've got 14 bags of concrete and I've got rebar. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up topping this slab, and we're going to, hopefully all the movement has been completed, but we're going to re-deflect or re-level this little pad out back towards the yard. So if water does come in contact to it, it's not coming towards the house, it's going out towards the yard. Okay, so I get one shot at this, and what I am thinking is that all right, we have a little bit of slope here from, so this portion of the house is the addition. That is the older section of the house. And we have a little bit of slope away from the addition, but not a whole lot. And I would like to, yeah, so if I go, we end up, okay, so if I follow the edge of this breaker board, we are going downhill just a tad. And then if I use this corner as a 2-inch, I think we have our dimensions laid out, and bear with me here, this looks messy, but I need to get this down in my head before I start making cuts for our framework. Once the framework's cut, it's going to be brainless, because I need this brainless when I'm pouring concrete. You don't want to be sitting here thinking about it after mixing 12 bags of concrete. So we're going to have 4 inches thick going along the addition here. So we start from the corner, we go along here to the end. 4 inches thick. That's going to be, for the most part, pretty level, going side to side. It will drop if we kick it out this direction. We go from that corner to this corner here, and we're going to be dropping it from 4 inches, 4 inches, 4 inches down to 2 inches. So we're covered there. All right, it's going to go 4, 4. We'll kick it out a foot. Then we'll go 3, 2, 3, 2. And then the second round of this will be finishing off the front end of it. And we'll probably end up doing something like this. I am essentially ready to pour concrete. I'm not going to do it today. Tomorrow, which would be Wednesday, I am going to put down a bonding agent. I think it should be warm enough during the day that it will dry, and then Thursday I will plan on pouring this little 59 by 55 inch section of concrete. So yeah, I guess we'll see how it goes.